Back to position. Good job. Yeah, I just started. Move quickly. Position. Ready position quickly. Yep. Don't jump. Ready position quickly. Hit him on your backhand, please. Hit him on your backhand, okay? Hit him on your backhand. Move over so you hit him on your backhand. Yep. Come on. Hit him on your backhands, Philip. Hit him on your backhands. Move over. There you go. Come on. Good job. Nice shot. Nice. I'll go over there and move it. Hit it.